Withdrawing money from your Apple ID to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the App Store. Launch the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you will manage your Apple ID and related transactions. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile picture or the account icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your Apple ID. Step 3. Navigate to balance. Scroll down to find your Apple ID balance. If you have funds available, you will see the amount displayed here. Step 4. Select Withdraw option. Look for an option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Follow the prompts to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Confirm bank details. Enter your bank account information if prompted. Make sure to double-check the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the withdrawal request. After completing these steps, your request will be processed and the funds should appear in your bank account within a few business days. Always ensure your Apple ID and bank account information are up to date for a seamless experience.